In this session, you can learn how to compare two documents and how to combine two or more documents. So, in this situation, in first case you need two versions of a document. So, that means suppose imagine this is the original document. The same document you are having with another copy that was changed by your colleague or friend. So, you can compare. So, right now see I am saving this one as save documents. I am giving original. This is the original document, and after some changes, what I will do, suppose I am going to change something here. Suppose I am making some changes and I am going to place some text. This is a document, something, some new line added and some underlines also I placed in this document, and I am going to remove the line. So, I am going to save this as save as documents, give another name. Second copy, I am giving second copy. Okay, this is the second copy and you have already original document saved. So, you can compare both these document using options available in review tab. Review tab, under review tab compare is there. Compare two versions of a document. See, if you click, it is asking original document and revised document. You can select the original document by browsing, and where you saved you have to select the original. Okay. And the revised document, I am browsing and see I am selecting second copy, open. Okay, and if you want, you can, what type of comparisons you want, you can select or deselect with these options. Okay, I am keeping them as it is and finally say OK. See, it is giving comparison. What kind of changes made automatically you can find. Few seconds ago, font 16 bold, font color red, and here something, and here something. So, you can highlight them. What are the changes they did, and finally see show original document and you can see show revised document, and you can also show both documents. See, this is the original document in the upwards you have, and this is the revised document, changed document you have. And in left side pane, you have the changes made. What are the changes made under that particular document? So like that you can compare them using show sources. And if you want to hide source documents, simply you can hide source documents and simply you can show this kind of changes what you made. Okay, and if you want to combine multiple authors like this, multiple revisions of the documents, then into a single document, then select the original document, browse for the original, so that is original one, open, and revised one, the second copy, open. Okay, you can also select or deselect the options, change, suppose case changes. If you don't want, you can deselect. Like that you can deselect the options, finally save OK. See, here in this, show both documents. You can combine the revisions of two documents like that. So you can compare or combine. While combining, see, I am selecting the original one, or otherwise I will do one thing. I will close everything. I am selecting new one, I am closing everything. So right now go to review and compare or combine. Browse for the first one, the original, open, and second copy, okay. Now finally you say OK. The combined document will be like this. And you can also set other options to how to compare or combine, or how to show the source documents or hiding the documents, everything you can use. Okay,